First Alert Weather with Madeline Parker is sponsored by St. Francis Healthcare System.
You know, it's been pretty warm today, especially for the beginning of October, but what are some of the records that we've been setting on this day throughout our records? So looks like 94 is the record high. That was set in 2019, which is a pretty warm year in the heartland. Record low is in 1984. 35 was the lowest it's ever been on this date, and the record rain was 1.99 inches. That was back in 1986. So it's been a while since we've broken any of these records, although still looks like we're getting a lot warmer and we're getting closer to that record of 94. Right now it's about 10 degrees cooler here in Cape Girardeau than that record, 83 degrees. Looking at 84 though over in Perryville, 84 in Carbondale and Mount Vernon, 88 over in Kennett, and 87 in Sikeston. Now what can we expect for the rest of your afternoon? Well, we're seeing a lot of thin cirrus clouds. Now what does that mean? It means it's cloudy. We're going to be seeing those clouds up in the atmosphere, but it's not really going to deter from the sunshine. You're still going to get plenty of sunshine. It's not going to be a dreary day, but we are going to be seeing those clouds throughout your afternoon. By the evening, we'll start to see a few more of those thicker clouds beginning to develop, especially if you're in the Butler County area, if you're going to be near Union City. We do see a few more of those thicker clouds popping up as we head into the overnight hours. Those thicker clouds begin to break down a little bit, seeing more of those thin clouds, actually seeing a little bit of clear skies over the Boot Heel area. And then we'll be seeing some mostly clear to partly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning. So southeast Missouri, you guys are looking at mostly clear skies. Western Kentucky, mostly clear by Thursday morning. Southern Illinois is looking a little bit cloudy still by tomorrow morning, but still you can see a little bit of sunshine thanks to those very high clouds. Looking at the afternoon, we see a few more of those thicker clouds developing over western Kentucky, and we could be seeing an isolated shower or two thanks to that heat of the day and all the moisture we're going to be seeing moving in. We have a lot of moisture moving in from the Carolinas thanks to those hurricanes that are forming over there, bringing kind of a moisture plume into our area. It's going to be causing a little bit of some isolated showers thanks to how warm it's going to be by the afternoon. Looking at the evening, looking at mostly clear skies, and we might see a few clouds over in southern Illinois. Tonight, we're looking at partly cloudy skies to mostly cloudy skies with temperatures getting down to the low 70s around 7 p.m. From the mid 80s to low 70s in just a few hours. That is due to how dry the air is right now, and we'll be seeing it get a lot cooler pretty quickly. Looking at our comfort index, it is going to be a little bit more humid tomorrow, but it's going to get better as we head into the weekend before we see a spike in moisture by next week. Now, because of how dry it is going to be feeling a little bit cooler over the next couple of days, especially over the weekend. But here's that 7-day forecast. We're looking at a lot of sunshine going into Friday and Saturday. And if you look at next week, looking at a chance for some rain and maybe even some upper 70s by this time next week.